How to choose the best VPN if you are a beginner and not really sure what should be your choice. If this is a question you've been asking yourself for a while now, you've landed at the right place. Continue watching. Let's figure it out in 7 simple steps. First things first, ask yourself, why do you need a VPN? Do you need VPN to watch Netflix from multiple locations, or do you travel a lot and need VPN for safety reasons while using public Wi-Fi? Are you the torrent guy, or are you a marketing professional who needs to check their marketing campaigns to understand how they look like from different countries? Whatever it be, once you know what you will be using a VPN for, write down all the features that are crucial to you and those that you might forego. After completing that process, you will have a much easier time trying to decide which VPN you need. The second step would be to make a list of the VPNs and look into each VPN's qualities, because each and every VPN provider is slightly different and they have different priorities. One is better for speed, another for anonymity, and another is better at encryption. So you should make sure that your priorities align. For example, if you want to watch content that is geographically blocked, your best choice would be VPN providers that are better at unblocking content, for example, ExpressVPN or Nord VPN. If you are, say, a journalist or someone who values their anonymity and privacy, a VPN that does not retain logs and has a secure encryption would be your priority. It's also worth checking the security protocol and the kill switch features. Most of the VPN providers do have this feature, but not all of them, so you might want to recheck that. The third step would be checking which devices are compatible. Most VPN providers do support multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS and Android, but some VPN providers don't support all of these platforms, so if this is crucial for you, you might want to recheck this again. For example, if you have a Mac and use an Android, then you might want to ensure that the VPN provider that you're about to choose has a platform and an app for both. It's also a good idea to check how many devices you can connect at once. Some VPN providers allow unlimited devices, whilst others allow only connecting up to 3. The fourth step would be checking how their apps and their platforms look like on multiple devices, because you want to find a VPN that offers a user-friendly interface. Especially if you are a newbie in using a VPN, you do not want to lose time trying to configure your VPN. You just want to install it and use it. Some VPNs even offer a virtual setup, so you never really have to lift a finger. So if you're a newbie in using a VPN, make sure it has a user-friendly interface so that you don't get lost in the app. The fifth important step would be deciding which payment plan you prefer, because pricing is crucial, and many VPNs offer either yearly or monthly subscription. And of course, prices differ depending on subscription lengths and features of the particular VPN provider. How you pay is also important. Some VPN providers offer completely anonymous systems like Bitcoin, whilst others allow you to buy gift cards to avoid revealing your personal information. And while using free VPNs is tempting, I wouldn't really recommend you doing that, because if you're not paying with your money, you will be paying with something else, for example, with endless ads, with bad encryption or lack of one, unreliable protection, or bad quality streaming. We will talk about this a little bit later. Now, if the price is an issue, consider using a VPN that offers great discounts and coupons. Now, the sixth important step would be look for a VPN that offers great customer service. Oh my, I can't underline enough how important it is. Because once you face with some technical issue, you don't want to go berserk trying to reach their customer support. This is a super important factor, that a VPN provider that you choose should provide a 24/7 customer support. VPNs change all the time, so it's crucial that you can easily contact someone who will help you out. I prefer VPN providers who offer live chats rather than emails only, because in case of an email, it might take sometimes days for customer support to reach back to you. And now the seventh step would be making sure that a VPN provider you choose offers money-back guarantee. It's important that they have this feature, because you don't really want to get stuck with a tool that you don't really like or need. Like if you happen to choose a VPN but then decide it is not the right fit for you, getting out of your contract might be a big issue. So look for a VPN that promises your money back within a specific amount of time, so that you're not stuck with the provider until the end of your contract if you do not like the service. Also, another important factor is that you make sure that all the important locations are covered within your chosen VPN. And the number of servers and locations for some VPNs might be a crucial factor for some to choose one VPN provider or another. For example, if you plan to leave or happen to leave or plan to travel to a country with strict regulations, you want to make sure that a VPN provider you choose has servers in that same location or somewhere nearby. For example, in China, with their strict regulation and limited internet use, you want to make sure that your VPN tackles their censorship effectively. Now, some of the frequently asked questions here would be, what should I use, a free or a paid VPN? To be honest, there are a couple of free VPNs that might be a good solution, a nice solution for the time being, but they lack the features that premium versions provide. And finding those safe free VPNs is an art in itself. You see, a huge chunk of free VPN services might provide a threat or two, because by downloading a free program that you know nothing about may result into the leakage of your personal data. In less severe cases, you might just get bombarded by the ads whenever you go on the web. Premium VPNs, on the other side, provide a list of features that free VPNs simply do not have. And I have some of such trusted VPN providers linked below, so make sure to go and check out the description box for some trusted VPN providers. All of them provide a 30-day money-back guarantee, and during those 30 days you will be able to test the service and return your money if you don't like it, or proceed using it if you do. But you might still be wondering, so how to choose a good VPN? Choosing a reliable VPN provider is hard work that takes a lot of research. So what makes a good VPN provider? It should have a reputation of excellence, it offers broad network of servers, it does not log your activity, important, it does not censor the internet, it provides prompt and professional support, preferably online support, it supports OpenVPN, PPTP, L2TP and SSTP protocols, it does not leak your real IP address, it does not throttle your speed, it does not limit data transfer amount, it delivers reliable speeds, it supports many platforms, it does not make any false promises, and it is transparent about its technology, privacy policies and jurisdiction. And important, it allows you to subscribe and pay anonymously. I hope that after today's episode you are able to choose your perfect match easily and to use it effortlessly. If this is so, smash the like button, I'd appreciate that. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more hacks on internet security, and keep yourself safe online. See you soon. Bye.